This tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update investing.com app to the latest version. So by updating your app, you'll get the latest features that comes with this app, and also you'll be able to fix a lot of security issues as well as bugs. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Alright, so let's get into it. Now, to update your app, you need first to go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using an iPhone. So for my case, I'm using an Android smartphone, so I'll head to Google Play Store. So if I go ahead and tap on Google Play Store here, I can search for the app here, investing.com, and here it is. And I should be able to see the app, and here it is. So if I go ahead and tap on it, look for any option called update here. So if you see it written here update, then it means you have been using an outdated version of investing.com app. So to get the latest version, go ahead and tap on update, and then this will go ahead and download the latest features that come with this app and then install it on your smartphone. Then you can now proceed and tap on open. So for my case, I can't update this because it is already up to date. So if you see it written open, it means you already have an up-to-date app and there is no update that is available for you. So if you proceed and tap on open, now you'll start using the latest version of investing.com app. So that's how you update your app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.